My name is Harper. And my name is Charlie. And we are the Unicorn Sisters. Today, we have new purposes, especially me. But I don't know which one.
Let's open them one at a time. Who's going to go first?
Harper. I already went first. No, Harper never went.
Harper went first last time.
Fine, I'll go first. So I'm gonna open mine first. Because this guy here, she wants me to open it first. Okay, do the same thing. What the? I think it's pretty, cute, and adorable. Cute and adorable. Adorable means no. Wait, I would think it looks the same on the back. And I'm gonna start seeing what's inside. I'm gonna wait for her. I have to stand here and wait for her. So, ow. Okay, now I'm gonna open my bag. So adorable. Wow. Look at the front, guys. It has a little diamond for the eyes, and look at this hair. It has blue, purple, pink, and they have glitter on them. Look at their ears and their horn. They're so adorable. Her horns have diamonds on them. And this one has blue, purple, pink, and gray with glitter and diamonds on it. This is how the inside looks inside. Wait, what? Sorry, stick open. See the first inside, and I'll show you how always I can see. There's paper in here. Yeah, that's paper. Yeah, paper is the only thing inside. There it is. That's the inside.
Oh, Unicorn Sisters.
It's a bow, and it came with white eyes and a red bow, and it kind of came with some ears too. It looks like a cat to me. Straps. I'm gonna put my straps on. Show you how to carry it. She's doing that. I'll show y'all mine on the march. I can carry it the same as my first one. And I can carry it on the other side, or like this, or other side. Or I can actually wear it like a okay. Then that's all the things I can have it like. It will have pockets. Oh, it came with pockets. It came with pockets. Just one pocket. It has one pocket and a zipper, so it can zipper up, and a whole space. You can put like makeup in here, and no makeup. I'm trying to put no makeup. Like she got the iPod in here, like something that's so deep, and I have a lot of space in it. Now I got my straps on, so now I can put it 3 different ways. So I can put it on a book. I can put it like a book bag, and I can put it like a body cross. And I can put it like a purse. Let me show you. And then I can carry it like that. Or you can do a crossbody. And also, you can carry it like a book bag. I'm sorry, we're not. Putting it like a book bag. You can hold it like this. My final thoughts to say today about this brave new purse is to say I love this purse so much. My favorite part about the purse is all of it. The whole thing is good, and I like the black and the beautiful bow and the ears. It's just, I love the things that the three things, like you can put in a purse, a book bag, and you can put it in a crossbody, and that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all have a good day today. Have fun. Bye.